Welcome to the Astroimaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astroimaging Journey channel. And now we're going to play with some curves again, make some final tweaks to our color and luminance. So first, make sure, yes, I do have the mask on there, so I need to remove that. Let's open up our curves transformation. It was on saturation before, and we need to track our RGB. Let's open up our preview window, and let's reset. So the first thing I want to do is I want to look at the luminance, and do I really want to pop this up or bring it down? And I'm just going to make some quick tweaks here. To what suits my eye. So I'm going to speed up the video while I make these, and we'll see what the end result is when it's all said and done. Alright, so we made a couple tweaks. I think that looks pretty good. So if we do a before and after, just makes it pop just a little bit more. So with that, we're done with curves transformations. We'll move on to the next part. So I just want to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you found it informative. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astroimaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.